When you search for the best digital tire inflator for your car, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy ads. But to find the real gems that actually deliver, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Oler Hike Tire Inflator. Let's kick things off with the Oler Hike Tire Inflator, which is priced at $29.99. Right off the bat, it caught my attention because of its versatility. You can use it cordlessly or plug it into your car's 12V outlet. If you want fast inflation without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. The Oler Hike Inflator can pump up a standard car tire from 30 to 35 psi in just 55 seconds. It has a powerful motor that boasts an airflow capacity of 24 liters per minute. Here's why this matters. If you're in a pinch on the roadside or just trying to get back on the road quickly, this inflator has you covered. Plus, with a built-in 6000 mAh battery, you can inflate up to 18 standard tires before needing a recharge. That's perfect for road trips or emergencies. Now, some people have complained about the battery life when used continuously. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for quick top-offs or emergency situations, the battery holds up well. Just keep in mind that heavy-duty tires might take longer. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, portable solution for quick tire inflation. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle large, heavy-duty tires consistently. Now, if the Oler Hike's battery concerns made you think twice, the next one on my list might actually be even better for you. Product number 2, Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator. Next up is the Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator, retailing at $21.99. What caught my eye was its advanced true-gauge screen, which collects pressure data at a frequency of 200 times per second. If you're looking for accuracy, this is one worth checking out. It has a maximum pressure of 150 psi and a built-in 4000 mAh battery that can refill up to 8 tires on a single charge. This is great because you won't have to worry about running out of power too soon. One of the standout features is its auto shut-off function, which means you can set it and forget it without worrying about overinflation. However, some users found it a bit slow when inflating larger tires. But honestly, if you're just using it for regular vehicles and not heavy-duty trucks, it should be more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you want an accurate and lightweight inflator for regular car maintenance. Skip this one if you need something designed for heavy-duty use. It's a solid value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need high performance with quick inflation. Product number 3, QYQBOON Tire Inflator. Now let's talk about the QYQBOON Tire Inflator, which you can grab for just $14.24. This one really stands out because it offers dual inflation modes. You can use its built-in battery or plug it into your car. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is a great pick. This inflator can inflate up to 3 times faster than typical models, making it really efficient. It can handle a maximum pressure of 150 psi and includes an LCD display for real-time pressure monitoring. Plus, with its auto shut-off feature, you won't have to worry about overinflating your tires. It's also compact and easy to store, perfect for keeping in your car or bike. On the downside, some users reported that the battery life wasn't as impressive. But here's the thing, if you're using it primarily for quick inflations, it should suffice without much hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly inflator for everyday use. Skip this one if you plan to inflate large tires frequently. You really can't beat the price for what you get. Now, if the QYQBOON's battery concerns worried you, we're moving on to something that takes a different approach. Product number 4, GJOSYOI Tire Inflator. The next contender is the GJOSYOI Tire Inflator, priced at $38.99. What really impressed me here was its fast inflation capability. It can handle up to 150 psi with ease. If you're in need of something that can perform well under pressure, this could be the one. With a high-performance motor, this inflator can handle multiple inflation tasks quickly. It features a dual display that shows both current and preset pressure values, which is super handy. The auto shut-off function is a lifesaver, ensuring you don't overinflate and damage your tires. Plus, it has a built-in rechargeable battery, which adds convenience when you're on the go. However, some folks mention that it could be a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, if you need something that gets the job done efficiently, a little noise might not be a big deal. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful and user-friendly inflator for a variety of vehicles. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise or just need something less powerful. It's worth the investment for its performance. Now, if the GJOSYOI's noise level is a concern, the last product on my list may provide a quieter solution. Product number 5, ROCGORLD R8 Tire Inflator. Finally, we have the ROCGORLD R8 Tire Inflator, which goes for $26.99. It caught my eye because it boasts a fast inflation rate while still being compact and easy to store. If you want a solid all-rounder, this one's definitely worth considering. This model can inflate a tire in under a minute thanks to its powerful motor. The auto stop function is another great feature that helps prevent overinflation. Users appreciate the long power cord and hose, which make it easier to reach tires without hassle. However, some users reported that it doesn't come with a battery, limiting its portability. Here's the thing, though, if you have access to a 12V outlet, this inflator performs impressively and is still a great value. This is perfect for you if you need something quick, efficient, and portable for general tire inflation. Skip this one if you prefer a completely cordless operation. You get a lot for your money with this product. So to wrap things up, we've covered the Oler Hike, Astro AI L7, QIQBOO and GJOSYOI and ROCGORLD R8 tire inflators. Each one has its unique strengths and potential drawbacks. Whether you're after speed, accuracy, or budget options, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that fits your needs the best, and you'll never have to worry about being stranded with flat tires again.